Last week there was an interest in my Max Wallace plaque. You'll notice it's been replaced by Rhyl, the Middle Amigos drawing of Mr. Rainbow. So Mr. Rainbow is now on the wall where the plaque was, and I've brought the plaque for you to have a close-up viewing of my Max Wallace relief plaque, Viennese base relief. How much am I bid? I can hear the millions rolling in already. Max Wallace. This week's Welsh offering is CYFARCHION i'M GWRAIG, a celebration of his wife, by W.J.JONES. Mi gofiai'r dyddiau diddan, dy feddal gnawd fel sidan, dy serch yn pefro'r lygaid glas, a meddwl ias dy gysan. Dy wallt yn goron eiraid, a ddwedd yn ddisglau'r ganiad, fy nghalon i nain llawenhau, am breichiau am fy nghoflaid. Troi dy dresyn arian, a ffylu'r glendid weithian, mae dal dy law yn dwyn yn ôl, wefreiddiol oriau eirian.